Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google with Google Assistant option on this device. So first, let's open the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice match. So to activate Hey Google feature, you should click on the switcher. And after that, just tap to more, I agree, next. So now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled, and if you want assistant recognize your voice like in my case, you should just add your voice model. Just click here to voice model, retain voice model, and just repeat after the assistant. So after that, you'll see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.